Welcome. This is Norman's Nursery edition of cooking and making drinks just like you can in your own backyard. Today we're going to be doing a salad. We're going to have some guacamole. We're going to make a spritz cocktail with some peach, and then we're going to do a nice little plum variation of a margarita. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. Welcome to another edition of Norman's Nursery, cooking in your own backyard. Haas avocado. Norman's choice. Let's make some guacamole, shall we?
So now that we've chopped up our avocado, we're going to add some lime, various limes to be exact, to our guacamole. Mix it up and enjoy it.